In this video, we will do hands-on over AWS S3 bucket. In that, we will first see that how to navigate in AWS console for creating a bucket. Then we will try to understand S3 console. Lastly, we will create a S3 bucket and compare it with folder creation in Windows system. First, we will discuss navigation. So the window you are watching right now is AWS console. At this console, under Find Services, you can directly type S3 and you can navigate to S3 by just clicking on Scalable Storage in the cloud. Or you can go to Services and here in the search bar you can type S3. Again you can navigate from here, or you can search under the storage and click on S3. This is S3 console. At the left panel, you can see various menus which we will discuss later. Presently, we are concerned with the bucket only. And in the right panel, you can see content of the menu. Objective. So we will create a bucket and understand what is it. Now let me open a folder as I'm working on the Windows system. So we will create a folder on the Windows system and we will create a bucket on AWS and we will compare both to understand S3. So just like we create a folder in our system by selecting new folder and giving it a name, similarly you can create a bucket by clicking on Create Bucket and giving it a name. So there are several other options which we will discuss later. Right now we will just create the bucket. So as we discussed previously, that bucket is mainly to keep our data, as we can keep our data in the folder. Like, let me copy this image and keep it in the folder. So now inside this folder my image is available. Similarly, if I want to upload some data into my S3 bucket, then I have to click on upload and here I can browse the file, or under the bucket I can just directly drag and drop the data. There are several other options available while uploading, but we will just upload the data right now. Later on we will discuss these options. So in the folder, as some options are available like its dimension, size and its type. Similarly, in S3 bucket there are some details of the data which are available. Now in the Windows system, you can access your data by its path. Like here I'm copying the path of my data and accessing it on Chrome. So you can see my image is now visible. Similarly, you can access the data available in the S3 bucket with the help of URL. This URL is the REST API and it's contain the path of our data. So I will just open it in a new tab and you can see that our data is available. So what I want to show with this, that the data in S3 are stored on the basis of key, that is the path to the data, and value is our object. Now when you right click on an object, you see various options are available with it. Similarly, in S3 bucket, when you click on actions, you can see various options are available for this object. Here our concern is the change storage class. So in the last video we discussed about storage classes. So these are the storage classes which was mentioned in the video, and later on we will discuss this. So to get more detail about the storage classes, you can just type AWS storage classes and go to the first link, which is the official document of AWS, and here you can see that the details of these classes are available. In upcoming video we will mainly discuss the performance chart. The performance chart is the division of various properties and the storage classes behavior over that properties. So I hope after watching this video you have an practical overview over S3 bucket creation. So thanks for watching this video and see you soon.